In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to product variants in Hostinger Website Builder. To get started, sign into your Hostinger account and open the website where your online store is connected. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on Website to access your site settings and editing tools. From there, look for the option that says Manage Store. This is where you control your products, store details, and variant settings. After opening your store management area, click on Products. Here you'll see your existing product list. At this point, you can either select a product you've already created or add a new product if you're setting one up for the first time. This is important because variant images are added from inside the individual product settings, not from the general store dashboard. Once you're inside the product, you'll be able to work with the product variants. If your product doesn't already have variants, click on Options. This is where you can create the choices customers will select, such as color or size. For example, if you sell a shirt, you might add colors like black, white, or blue, or sizes like small, medium, and large. After entering the options you want, save them so the product variants can be generated properly. Once the options are signed, you'll be able to see the variant combinations that were created for that product. This is the section you need in order to assign a different image to each variant. To add an image, simply click the edit icon next to the variant you want to update. This opens the variant settings so you can customize that specific version of the product. From there, upload or select the image you want to use for that variant. Make sure the image clearly matches the option the customer will choose. For example, if the variant is a red version of the product, the image should show the red version, not a different color. This helps customers understand exactly what they are buying and can reduce confusion before checkout. After adding the image, click Save to apply the change. Repeat the same process for any other variants that need their own images. Taking a little extra time here can make your product pages look more professional and easier to shop. And that's it. That's how to add images to product variants in Hostinger Website Builder.